Okay guys, here's a brief video on how to sharpen these punches. I've got a very fine tooth, very fine sanding belt on this belt sander. I'm going to set the drill to run in reverse. So that it actually runs against the direction of the sanding belt. We're going to hold it at an angle about like this so that any burrs are sanded off automatically. All these punches are pretty sharp already, but I'm going to do this one in case you have to sharpen any in the future. It's going to get noisy now, so I won't be able to talk. There you can see I sanded it down just a little bit. It's very sharp, almost a knife edge, and that'll cut through the rubber just fine. I'm sending you belts, some old worn out belts, because it looks like I've packed all my new ones. I'll order some new ones for you and send them to you shortly.